Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to integrate your LinkedIn or how to connect your LinkedIn to your Monday.com account. So if you want to do that, you just need to follow these steps and you'll be good to go. So LinkedIn can be used for several automation tasks such as posting status, posting an update, a change in our board, and a change will be also occurring on LinkedIn. So without much ado, the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into your Monday.com. And once when you log in, you won't be able to see any, I would say, integration option here because the previous update had integration option right here. But now integration can only happen with the board that you're working on. For example, if this is the board that I'm working on now, if I have to integrate my LinkedIn here, what do I need to do? Or we can just go back and use this board instead because it's more informative. So if I need to integrate my LinkedIn with it, what I'm going to do, I can see this integrate option right here. I'm going to click it and it will give us one application software by default by the name of Twilio. We don't want that, so we can click on go back. And once when we're here, we can see there are many options that we can use for the connection. There are several softwares that we can use, and we are going to look for LinkedIn and we are going to search LinkedIn from it. Here you go. I see LinkedIn right here. We can also use MailChimp, Microsoft Team, Facebook as well, the Facebook ads, Asana, Dropbox. That's completely up to us, but I'm going to go and I'm going to choose LinkedIn. There are a variety of applications that you can use, a variety of applications that you can integrate and automate with. But like I said, we're going to go with LinkedIn. So I'm going to click LinkedIn. Here you go. Once when you're here, the bot is going to tell you about the automation that you can use with the LinkedIn. For example, when a date arrives, when you have selected a specific date, the due date actually of the project. So when the date arrives, create a new post and share it. So when the due date of the project that you're doing arrives, LinkedIn will automatically create a post and it will share it. Or the other automation that we can do is when status changes to something, create a new post and share it. So if a status of our project changes, then LinkedIn will automatically create a post and it will share it on your profile on LinkedIn. So we can go and if we select and use this template, they will ask us to connect our LinkedIn. And once we connect our LinkedIn, it's going to ask for the email and the password of our LinkedIn. And once we do it and once we connect our LinkedIn, then this automation is going to work automatically. So this is how you, let me just go back. So this is how you connect your LinkedIn and do the automation. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.